Cheptugat is a distinguished Kenyan advocate of the High Court, admitted to the bar over 4 decades ago and widely respected for his professional integrity and service. His career on a strong continuing academic foundation and unwavering commitment to justice. He has served as a magistrate, legal officer in the government corporation, chair of the industrial.
Senior Counsel Rubena Dar.
Rubena Dar was called to the Bar of England and Wales as a barrister in 1983 and subsequently admitted to the Kenya Bar as an advocate of the High Court of Kenya in 1984. Ms. Rubena Dar brings over 40 years of distinguished legal practice. She has excelled across the full spectrum of legal work, including commercial, contractual, tort, tax, probate, matrimonial, and children's matters. Highly regarded in her litigation expertise, she has headed litigation teams in several prominent law firms such as Daly and Figgis, Indamar and Indamar, and Miller. Professor Kifutha Kibwana, advocate and certified secretary, studied law at the universities of Nairobi, London, Harvard, and George Washington, specializing in constitutional law and jurisprudence. From 2003 to 2007, he was member of parliament, cabinet minister, and president of the United Nations Climate Change Convention, COP12. Subsequently, he served as presidential advisor to His Excellency Mwai Kibaki and later as a governor of Makueni County. He has been named Jurist of the Year by ICJ Kenya and
Senior Counsel Lumatete Walubengo Mushai.
Lubengo Mushai was called to the bar in 1985. He is a senior partner at Lamutete Mushai Company Advocates. He is a commercial law litigator and conveyancer and has in the past done Society of Kenya and a past chairperson of the Law Society of Kenya Mombasa chapter. He was a delegate at the Bomas Constitutional Conference and later served as the Secretary of the Judicial Tribunal Investigation Precinct Judges. He was, for 6 years, a director of Export Processing Zone Authority. He also served as chairman of the Jubilee Party Patrick Lodge Otieno Lumumba is a professor of public law, a holder of the LLD on the law of sea from the University of Ghent, Belgium, holds a postgraduate diploma from the Kenya School of Law, bachelor's law or master's law degree from the University of Nairobi. Patrick Lodge Otieno Lumumba holds an honorary degree of Doctors of Letters, DLITT, from the University of Cape Coast in Ghana. He also holds a degree in the Doctor of Science from Bells University of Technology in Nigeria. He has been trained on human rights as an Institute of Advanced Legal Studies, University of London in England, humanitarian law at the Raoul Wellbank University of London, Sweden, and an international humanitarian law in Geneva, Switzerland. He is an advocate of the High Court of Kenya and Tanganyika and a certified mediator.